so good. But when that sun comes out, it is, oh my goodness, unbearable. I am here on my whole old walking spot, Cape Fear Trail, I think, something like that. Not going too far, but a mile out and a mile back. That's the plan. Trying to get in as much as I can while I'm down here in the Vale. Not much to see, but whatever there is, I will share. There are a few ways to get on this trail, Where I'm starting from is the Jordan Soccer Complex, and it is Cape Fear River Trail right there. Dog must be unleashed, $100 fine, and they got some general rules coming up, a lot of general rules from 1 to 7. Some posted information right here with the trail and a waterfall. Yeah, right. Okay. Trail distance 7 miles. Is it 7 miles one way? Here we go. Not gonna be able to see too much. What is this? A pond? A lake? What is it? Now there's a body of water over there. Don't see any wildlife in it. Here, maybe you could see one. Not with a GoPro anyway. Oh my goodness. One dislike about this trail is the hard surface and the hills. Pond life, there it goes. Not too much. Mockingbird, woodpecker, warblers, and more. There goes the pond. Not looking forward to coming back up on these hills. And I say hills, I mean hills. This is not the only one, if I can recall. Saw a pretty bird, but it flew away. I was too slow getting my camera, my GoPro together. Ah yes, one hill not looking forward to. Trying to catch as much shade as I can. But sun is peeking through these trees. Oh, no shade zone. Whew, I should pick up my staff to get out of it quicker. Okay, yes, thank you. Someone is looking out for me. Thank you, I appreciate it, Lord. I think, I believe this is where that waterfall is supposed to be. All the time I've been walking here, I really don't see a fall. Yeah, I see water coming over somewhere, but that I wouldn't count that as a fall. Look like they had a little path going down there. Never seen it before. I'm gonna be nosy and see if the fall has gotten bigger. Let's see. Oh, I hear thunder. Is that why the sun went in? There we go. Train tracks up there. Water is low. Oh, I'm guessing that's the waterfall right there. It is. Should I go a little bit closer? It's only good here, right? At the end of this, it's gonna be my turnaround point. And there goes my friend. Well, not my friend. I have to catch this thing. Up here.
Very beautiful.
Yes, it is. There's a path going there, but it's not that good. There's a path going there, but it's not that good. Yeah. Oh, you did? Yeah, I did. Uh-huh. It is. It is. I know. I was thinking about the same thing too. If I had a chair, I would just sit right there. Yes. 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 Okay, bye. You too. Love the space of this boardwalk. I keep on seeing these numbers, but I don't know what they're there for. And one reason why I love this space is I can walk in the middle away from the board railing, just in case there are any critters lingering. What would you call this? An open tunnel? Or still a closed boardwalk? Went up to my turnaround point. Oh, lift those legs up, girl. They're all over. What did they call them? Ugh. Okay. This looks like a good turnaround point. Right here. Hello there, butterfly. Butterfly. Hello there. Flap those wings. Yes. Good turnaround point. Uh-oh. No. What is this? What is this? Come on now. I was doing fine, so fine, until I saw this thing right here to look out for when I go back into that thing. Oh my goodness. I know they got to give us information and stuff, but you know, they could have held back on that right there. I'll cover it up a little, make it a little bit smaller or something. Oh my goodness. Here goes this scary girl. Back through this thing. I gotta go back through this thing to get back to my car. I do. Yes, I do. You want to go in front of me and scare away anything that is lingering around? Jeez. Here I go. Yes, this girl is a scary cat. I've been told y'all, okay? Why am I walking slow? Since the bench is inviting me before I start the hill, I am gonna take it up on this offer and lighten up this load in my backpack, drink some of that water, tie my shoes lace, which I've been ignoring the past like 10 minutes, and then hopefully be able to get up and finish up this trail. Yes, drill sergeant, I am leaning in it, but it's not helping. It doesn't feel like it's helping at all. Not at all. Oh, jeez. Oh, my goodness. You can do it, girl. You can do it. Just make it to the flat and rest. Whew. Almost there. Made it back just in time. I could feel the raindrops. Thank you, Lord. Shelter those who are still on the trail. Oh, what's going on? Sun and rain. Okay. Looking at my watch. 2.3 miles. I will round it up to 2.5 because I had forgotten to start it up. And I'm still not at the finish line. So I would say 2.5 miles. Hope you enjoy the short little tour. Yes. Until the next video, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.